I broke down the actual engineering system here, and it's not magic. Inputs, physics constraints, capital limits, real bottlenecks. Process, first principles thinking, rapid iteration cycles, vertical integration, tight feedback loops, software style sprints. Outputs, reusable rockets, cheaper EVs, faster production lines. What's actually happening is a system. Set shot clock deadlines, engineers at the production line. Measure cost per unit, cycle time, defect rates, iterate weekly. Kill unnecessary meetings, shorten feedback loops, automate last not first. Method beats genius every single time.